Hello everyone, today we are going to film the entire disassembly and assembly process of repairing the battery pack of the GAC AION electronical vehicle. This is the vehicle we're going to disassemble. It was sent here from a repair shop reporting a battery pack temperature abnormality. So we're going to remove the battery pack. First, we use our ThinkCar diagnostic tool to diagnose the fault of this vehicle. The main issue is this temperature fault. That's why we need to remove the battery pack modules for repair. The preparation work has been completed now. First, we remove the low voltage battery to cut off the power supply. We wait for about 10 minutes, and now we start to remove the battery pack. Step 1. Remove the protective cover first. Remove all the screws securing the protective cover. As you can see, we have removed the bottom plate completely. Next, we will disassemble the accessories around the battery pack, the ground wires, water pipes, and connecting wires. Removing the coolant water pipes. This is a water-cooled system. We need to drain the coolant first. After removing the pipes, we disconnect the wires. What should we pay attention to when disconnecting these wires?
There's a small red clip here. Do not pry it off and break it. Sometimes some people think this red clip is just plugged in, but actually it's not. They might try to force it open and end up breaking it. Now we can start handling the battery pack.
Now we have removed the ground wires. Next, we remove the fixing screws of the battery pack. After placing the battery pack trolley underneath, we lower the vehicle until the battery pack touches the trolley. Then we start removing the battery pack fixing screws. After removing all the fixing screws around the battery pack, we slowly lift the vehicle. As you can see, the battery pack has been separated from the vehicle frame. This completes the battery pack removal step. In the next video, we will explain how to repair the battery temperature measurement fault reported by the battery pack. See you next time.